So we are in West Palm Beach, Florida right now. I am down here for a week visiting my family and headed out to the Mecum car auction in Kissimmee, Florida, which is something that me and my dad do every year for at least the last 8 years. And it's always a great time. But before we get into that, we're going to briefly recap everything that's happened since I got here. So let's start off with Saturday. That's the day I flew down here. I had about an hour and a half delay at Philadelphia Airport. So I had the X100 on me to kill some time, ended up walking around the airport looking for any interesting photographs to take. I definitely walked away with some really cool photos from that. Then we boarded the plane. I got the window seat. You got to get the window seat if you have a camera, and ended up snapping some really interesting shots, especially from high up in the air and just the ground below. I even tried to do some long exposures of the plane in motion. I think I may have captured a couple cool images of that. Unfortunately, you don't get a lot of opportunities to do that. So I tried my best, but I definitely walked away with some interesting shots on Saturday that I will be sharing in this video. As always, every photo that you see in here is straight out of the camera from either the X100VI or the Fujifilm X-T5. So I finally get here, we go out to dinner with some friends, and then the next morning, Sunday, we go to a car show in this park area. There must have been about 1,000 cars here. It was a beautiful, cool day in Florida. It hasn't really been so hot here, which is very nice. But we go to this car show, and it's kind of like a mixed bag of cars. Anything from classic muscle cars to some exotics and Japanese cars, European cars, everything in between, even some lowriders. There's something for everyone. It was a great time. We captured some really cool photographs. All these photographs here are shot with the Fujifilm X-T5 with the Viltrox 27mm f1.2 lens, all straight out of the camera. Mostly with the classic Cuban negative recipe, but I'm really happy with a lot of these photos. It was a great way to start off this trip. So right after that, later in the evening, we went to downtown Palm Beach for a supercar event right on the water. It's made for an incredible view. There were cars staggered all over the place. Right in the middle of downtown Palm Beach there was every kind of exotic that you can think of, from Ferraris to McLarens, Lamborghinis. There's some Japanese sports cars, European sports cars, everything. Even some old classic vintage cars. It almost felt like a concourse event, but it was a great time, great event, right on the water. I couldn't have asked for a better location, and honestly, it kind of made up for the fact that the normal Cars and Coffee in Palm Beach was canceled this month, which is one of the reasons why I came down for an extra weekend. So both of these events really made up for it. So next up is probably one of the most epic photo walks that I have done ever. So I took a quick drive out to Palm Beach again and spent 2 hours walking around probably one of the more fancy areas of Palm Beach. I mean, we're talking high-end stores, high-end cars, lavish lifestyles, some historic areas to take photographs at, and it was an absolute blast. I was solo on this. I honestly wish that I brought my action camera to record some of this, but it was nice to just bring out the X100 and just walk around town for 2 hours and just have a great time. I mean, this place was full of some cool alleyways that had a lot of like flowers and greenery coming off of the buildings, and it just kind of for a second you kind of thought that you were in a different area, that you were in a different place. It was such a great time. I honestly think that I got some of my best photos from this photo walk, and I cannot wait to do it again. Again, all these photos were shot from the X100VI straight out of camera with the classic Cuban negative recipe, and then there are some that are shot with the California hues recipe from Fujifilmsimulations.com that I was really pleased with. And now the sun's getting really bright, and I don't have my darker ND filter from my DJI, so that kind of sucks. God damn it. The one time I forget my darker ND filter and then the sun comes out. It's a cloudy day. It's so cool out right now. And it might actually rain later. It's the one opportunity where I can get a chance to film outside. The sun's going away. Please, please go away. Go away some more. So like I said, I carry this X100 with me everywhere, so there's been so many photo opportunities to take advantage of, like going to the beach. We went to Juno Beach for a couple hours, ended up trying a new recipe called Gold Dust, also from Fujifilmsimulations.com, and I'm very pleased with that recipe. I may do some more photos with that. I may do a video on that in the future, but I had a blast with that. Overall, this camera has just been so much fun to travel with down here and take with me everywhere I go. and I've enjoyed it a lot. Anyways, let's get really into the main event of this whole week, which is the Mecum car auction. Like I said, I go to this every year with my dad since probably for the last 8 years, and it's always a great event. It seems like it gets bigger and bigger every single year. Last year there was about 4,000 cars for sale going across the auction block. This year it's about 4,500. So it's even bigger. So we're expecting to see a lot of cars out. There will be cars there that I will probably never see again. And again, millions and millions and millions of dollars worth of cars go across the auction block for this 2-week period at this auction. But it's always a great time. We always go down for one day. I'm planning on shooting all the photos on the Fujifilm X-T5 with probably some variable recipes, probably mostly the classic human negative or the California hues recipe, maybe some Kodachrome in between. And I'm also going to shoot some video on the X100VI, straight out of camera, really using various film recipes for video. So I'm really excited to see how all that comes out, but it's gonna be a great week. I'm leaving in about a couple days, maybe 3 to 4 days, and it's kind of sucks, but we got a lot in, and I've probably already taken about 1,500 photos while I'm here. So I'm really having a great time, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go to Mecum. So it is the day after Mecum. We got back late last night. It was a long day, great event as always, a ton of cars, a lot of high dollar cars. And unfortunately for me, I have to wrap this trip up a day early because we are supposed to be getting 5 to 6 inches of snow back in Pennsylvania on the day that I fly back. So I'm actually catching an early flight, but I'm going to do one more photo walk downtown Palm Beach tomorrow. There's like a green market going on. You know, it's been a great week. I've had a lot of fun. So many great photos I've walked away with this time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's kind of like a little Florida vlog, but I wanted to share some of the photos that I took. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this, please subscribe and hit that like button. And again, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.